Hi everyone, Kim here, week number 2, Intro to Excel and Access. I'm going to be putting my glasses on and off a lot during this video. I'm also going to be looking at my other screen because I don't want to forget anything. Anyway, I hope your first week went really well. I know mine did. I'm excited to meet all of you. I've been reading your discussion board questions, looking at your pictures, and I'm really enjoying it, so I appreciate that. Thank you a lot. Anyway, a couple of things. I want to make sure that if you didn't complete the discussion board from last week or send me the rules, that you get that done ASAP. Don't fall behind. Next thing is, let's talk a little bit about week number 2. Again, the link for week number 2 is on my Blackboard site under assignments. Click on week number 2. First thing on there will be the agenda. Then I hope to put this video next, although it may be at the bottom of the screen. We'll see what happens with it. After that, I want to make sure that when you're in week number 2, that you're looking at every one of those links. So I'm going to look over at my Blackboard right now. So I'm going to kind of look away from the camera. You want to make sure that you use those PowerPoint help. Click on them, open them, print them. They will really help you when you're working on this first module in Excel. Second thing is, there's another link called Getting Your Resources. Click on that, read through it a little bit. Then there's some links, Introduction to MindTap, Getting Started with MindTap, Introduction to SAM, using SAM project in textbooks. There's videos, there's also some verbiage. And I put there, important to watch, completing a SAM training, completing a SAM exam, completing a SAM project, getting started with critical challenges. Then towards the bottom, I've posted the training, the exam, module project 1 and module project 2. Those are your assignments for this week. There's a due date on them of September 17th, 10 o'clock. That's when everything's due in this class. So anyway, again, if you've got questions, get a hold of me. Come see me. I already have 2 students that are coming to visit me at the campus here. They just want to make sure they're on the right page. So I have no problem doing that. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the day, you guys. Thanks a lot.